Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Trader Joe's Carne Asada. First, remove the Carne Asada from its packaging. Pat the meat thoroughly dry with paper towels. This is a crucial step for achieving a beautiful sear. Then, let the meat sit at room temperature for about 15 minutes before cooking. This ensures more even cooking and helps the meat retain its juices, leading to a more tender and flavorful result. Proper preparation sets the stage for a delicious meal. Now let's get cooking. You can either pan-sear or grill your Carne Asada. Heat a heavy-bottomed pan or your grill to a medium-high temperature. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like avocado or grapeseed oil, to the pan. Cook the Carne Asada for approximately 3 to 5 minutes per side. This timing will give you a lovely medium rare to medium doneness, with a fantastic crust on the outside. Once your Carne Asada is cooked to your liking, it's essential to let it rest. Transfer the meat to a cutting board and tent it loosely with aluminum foil. Allow it to rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, making it incredibly tender. Finally, slice the Carne Asada against the grain into thin strips for the best texture and eating experience. Now for the best part, enjoying your perfectly cooked Carne Asada. It's incredibly versatile. Serve it in warm tortillas with your favorite salsa, fresh guacamole, and a squeeze of lime for classic tacos. You can also pair it with fluffy rice and savory beans for a more substantial meal. Don't forget, it makes a fantastic topping for salads or even loaded nachos. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.